So the thing I really love about this house is just the curb appeal on the home. It's just beautiful. You have a nice garden, you have plenty of flowers that are in the area, trees that are nearby. It's just beautiful from the front. I just love it. It's charming, the colors are on point, and it just invites you in. It makes you want to go inside the home to see what's inside. Coming right into this house, you immediately come into living room number 1. I love this living room, not only for the fireplace we're about to look at, but the picture frame window. It looks out onto the front window. You can see the trees that are in front of you and the beautiful lush garden that's there. And the fireplace that you have here is really beautiful. It's quite symmetrical to the room. You have the crown molding that lines the top of the room, and then the tall baseboards at the bottom. It all just ties in really well as a center focal point for a conversation place or that living area, just to come and find your rest and peace. Now, coming into this space, you have the dining area, which is well located right off of the kitchen. It's a center point on the way out to the backyard with the French doors that lead out to that emotional piece that's out there we'll see soon. I left this statement piece pendant light. Beautiful light for the area, well chosen, on our way out to the kitchen. This kitchen is incredible. This kitchen's been remodeled. It's a nice galleyway kitchen all the way to the bay window here that looks even more onto the front yard that you have. You see the lush tree fills your window space, letting an abundance of light in that casts onto these wood countertops and white cabinetry. And just this designer's taste in this kitchen. It was very well done in the remodel. I really love this range hood that is right over the gas GE oven. Just a great place to cook with plenty of shelving for any of your cooking supplies. On this side, you have a KitchenAid dishwasher, also a stainless steel undermount sink with the window that lets an abundance of light in, and a nice stainless steel LG refrigerator here. I'm just really inspired by this kitchen space. I think they just did an outstanding job with it. I would love to hang out here, cook here, or even just come and have conversation with the people in your home. It's a great space to come and hang out. You have also this cool little pull down ironing board, which I always love little details like that in the house. When you have little details, make the home really just cozy. I just love it when they add that kind of stuff in, and that's one of those. Stepping down into what I would think would make a great additional primary suite. This space is just expansive, it's magnificent. It'll make a great den should you need additional space. It makes a great workout room. And being that there's a nice bathroom, just a nice quaint bathroom that's right off of the primary area. And this extra area, which could be used for a closet. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other side of the home. You have 3 bedrooms down this hallway as well as a bathroom. You have a coat closet on the way down, double tiered rack, really nice linen closet storage. I'm really loving this bathroom. This bathroom is really nice. It's been renovated and remodeled as well. It's a 3/4 bath. You have a walk-in shower. You have a solid surface top with a top mount sink that's in the space. And then a nice cabinetry setup that I think was just a great selection for this space to make it work really well. And then before we get to the primary into this space, you have a nice office area or an additional bedroom. Great built-in closet storage that's in here. And then a wonderful window that looks out onto your backyard oasis, one being a tree that fills your window. I really love what they did with this decal that's right here, right off of the back. Now coming over to the primary bedroom, you have a nice storage shelf. Primary bedroom is a really good size. You have a double closet situation in the primary. Now this primary bathroom I absolutely love, because this one has also been renovated, a very beautiful presentation, just very clean. They have a bench at the top of the bathtub, and then double sinks that are in this space. I just love it when in the primary bedroom there's French doors that go out onto your private patio. So coming outside, look at this. This is actually just an immaculate day to take a tour of this property. I love when I come to Prot Real Estate and it's just rained. You've got the fresh smell of rain in the air. I'm hearing the birds, I'm hearing the water dripping, and I just see a lush green backyard, just full of greenery, full of trees. It's just, you haven't escaped from the Albuquerque desert. You know, walking around the yard, just look and see what we have. I mean, you have plenty of greenery surrounding you, a nice walking path that's just really healing to walk on. You have a giant pine tree And coming through the yard, you have little details like a rock bench that's here. That's really nice to have, really emotional space. And then they have a lot of flagstone work. They just made this cool walking path all the way around the backyard. And if I was just needing to think after a long, hard days of work or do something, I would just love to come in my backyard and take a walk and just enjoy what's out here. Oh, this is beautiful. You have this nice little pergola that's right outside as well. You could put a nice table here and just really enjoy the outdoors and just listen and take it all in. You know, I know that I was mentioning the front curb appeal when we first came up to the house, but looking at the home from the back is actually quite a sight as well. I thought it was just well placed for everything. You have the nice tree, the paint is just crisp, everything's on point, and you have a nice center patio that's there. It's just inviting from the backyard as well. It's beautiful. The backyard is actually goes further out towards the south. You have a tough shed that's back there, additional space for a garden or animals. Attached to the house is also additional storage. So if you need more storage for the property, actually in your backyard, you have this big, expansive storage area. Any of that camping gear or anything that you need, Christmas decorations year round, it's all back there. Overall, this home's a great home. I hope you really enjoyed this tour today. I know that I have. This home stands only 3 blocks from the cultural pulse of Nob Hill. Just 5 minutes from UNM, a short stroll brings you to Hyder Park, where green lawns and shaded trees invite slow mornings. If you want to see this house in person, feel free to reach out to us. We'll come open the door for you. Take care, God bless, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of the week.